sleep or the brain. Okay. I'm not really interested in the development of a brain, but I am interested in sleep, if there's anything good on sleep.
One of the things you can do is by search the word sleep if it's there in the article. It's the brain. Okay, let me do it. Yeah, 2024, still using Internet Explorer. Okay, so we'll import this article. Oh, I don't have it in my collection. Okay. Okay, so now I have the same article as him. So what I can do is not the search. This is the collection. Click search in the toolbar. Find an article of or F3. Now I want sleep. Here it is. The pons rise, it contains nuclei that controls often voluntary, but simple acts such as sleep, respiration. Okay. Let's see if I have another instance. I can repeat the same thing. And here you go. Do you see that you also have the highlight, the color highlight of the search? So what I can also do is manually navigate, scroll, and let's see, oh, in this case it's a bad example because it doesn't appear again. You know what? Let me press F3. Here you go. It's the same as before, sorry. Next, down here. So, you can do this, especially if it's a long article and you only care about something specifically. You can use the keyword. But have this in mind that this is like a syntactic search. I'm looking for explicitly the word sleep. Could be that the content is about sleep, but doesn't ever mention the word. But the theme, the topic is about sleep. They could say, I don't know, REM, that is the phase of the sleep, or whatever that may be. If that's the case, what you want to do is to skim this. So, at least here this is mentioned. Let me see, what is this? A side effect of this, or at least I will do an extra of this. That, hey, I haven't read this fully, but I know there's something in here. And I continue, F3. Hey, that's a good example. That means that I have a description here about the sleep related to the brain, but I have the main article. That's what's so good about Wikipedia. It won't tell you, hey, look at this article. Or, as we have seen in the sleep article, blah, 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 blah. You always have standalone content. I can read this without checking the main article. This is only if I want to know more. And in this case, it's even 3. Circadian rhythm and arousal. So then I know that in this case, I even have a section of the article about sleep. That's because it's Wikipedia. It's this case. Usually, especially if it's essays and articles, it won't be the case. So I am pretty... Oh, look at this, how many times it's there. Yeah, exactly, in the REM, what I said before. Homeostasis. Okay, let's read that. So I select up to here, and I make another extract. Now I know this speaks about sleep, but perhaps I'm still not done. Look at the scroll bar. There's plenty material to go. So let's press F3 again. Again. I only had one more. Now it's just about the references. Nice. Then I just apply done. And what they have is just this. As a side effect, something, and I still keep this, but keep in mind, this is because it's the search bar. If now here I say potato, okay, I have no potato in this collection. Let me see something that has, okay, neuron. If I now search for neuron, I will cancel this, so I don't spend all day here. Now you see that, hey, in this case I also have neurons in this text, but now the sleep is no longer highlighted, because this highlight comes from the search. This is temporary, as long as it's active in the search. And then I will do repetition here, but before that, since I already know that is for sleep, yeah, let me increase let me increase the priority, a big deal. So 0.0%. And the other one, this is self-contained, and there's even more link. So more or less the same. Perhaps less, because I want this to come first.